Hey guys, did you miss us? Well, don't worry because we will share another recipe with you today called Thai pork basil. Only on Dros, a taste of home. Let's get started. First, you need to have 7 cloves of garlic, then 2 dried chilies, chopped into small bits, 1 pack of green beans. Snap both ends of the green bean and pull it to the side to take out the string. Then chop it off for about half an inch. And now, it's time for some sauteing and sizzling. Preheat some oil, add the chopped garlic, and cook it until it's golden brown. Add the dried chilies, and you'll see some color magic. And don't forget, add the main ingredient, 1 kg of minced pork. Now crank up the heat to medium-high and break the pork into small bits. Here's one tip for you before you can proceed to the next step. Add 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, then 1 tablespoon of thin or light soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of dark soy sauce, and 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce. Make sure to mix it very well to blend all the sauces equally. And now you can add 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Since your heat is set to high, stir fry the pork for another minute and deglaze the pan with water time by time. Add 1 pack of fresh basil and stir fry it until all the leaves are cooked. Add the green beans that we prepared earlier while deglazing, and sprinkle some lovely dried rosemary. Stir fry it for only 30 seconds, then turn off the stove to prevent it from overcooking and rather keep the beans crunchy. Voila! You have your Thai pork basil. Look at those glazing pork! It's so yummy! And of course, some neat plating. Come on, let's eat! I hope you enjoyed this another episode of yummy cooking in Dros, a taste of home. Goodbye everyone, take care!